Welcome to the Cloud Computing for Beginners tutorial series. I'm excited to have you here. In this course, we'll cover the key concepts of cloud computing in a beginner-friendly manner. Let's break down what we'll be covering in this video series. This course is designed with 5 main sections. In the first section, we'll provide an overall introduction to cloud computing. We'll define what cloud computing is, explore different cloud architectures, and discuss the drivers that lead organizations to move to the cloud. Within this section, we'll dive into the fundamentals and basic cloud concepts. This includes understanding different cloud models and exploring various cloud strategies that organizations can employ. Moving on to the second section, we'll delve deeper into cloud fundamentals. We'll cover essential concepts that form the foundation of cloud computing. This will include understanding different cloud models and the strategies organizations can adopt to make the most out of cloud computing. In the third section, we'll step into the world of public cloud computing. We'll get to know the setup and features of some of the most renowned public cloud providers available in the market. We'll explore their offerings and understand how they can benefit businesses of all sizes. Moving forward, in fourth section we'll shift our focus to private cloud computing. We'll define what a private cloud is and take a closer look at the well-known private cloud stacks and how they are designed. This section will provide you with a solid understanding of how private clouds operate within an organization. Finally, fifth section we'll close our course with a comprehensive knowledge of the hybrid cloud. We'll explore how it can be architected and break down the building blocks of an enterprise hybrid cloud. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid grasp of cloud computing, from its basic concepts to the more advanced architectures used in today's enterprises. I'm looking forward to guiding you through this exciting journey into cloud computing. Let's get started.